8409 South Main Street on the left.
Parking $10.
Is it cold, Daddy? The water cold? It is cold.
I'm stuck.
We're in Helen, Georgia, and we went on the Georgia Mountain Coaster. What did you think of the mountain coaster, Abigail?
It was super fun, but it didn't even go fast.
What? I was going as fast as I can, and she kept telling me, "Go faster, Mommy, go faster!"
What did you think about the ride, Jonas?
I really liked it, especially the loop-de-loop part, which is second to last, because you keep going around in circles very quickly.
Did you keep the pedal all the way down?
Yep, I never braked once, only at the end.
He has more guts than me because I did brake. At one point it kind of felt like I was going to fall off, but thankfully I didn't, and it was so much fun.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. It was a little bit pricey. It was around $60 for our whole family, and the ride is around 5 minutes or less. So that's something to keep in mind. But we really like Helen, Georgia. It's a beautiful town. A lot of the places do have parking though for $10. So that's a little bit pricey too. But it's a beautiful town, a beautiful river. And if you're ever in this area, I recommend you stop by.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
We're here at Anna Ruby Falls. It's a beautiful scenery. It's nice and beautiful. It's overshaded. It feels nice and cool. It's awesome to hear the waterfall. And it's even better to be here with our family. Ooh, I see someone stacked some rocks over there. Made a little pillar, a little castle or something. Jonas, what would you like to say about the trip?
I loved it so far.
What about Anna Ruby?
I loved it so far, and I was actually expecting it to be like a smaller one, but it appeared to be this.
Do you like that? It's bigger than you imagined?
Yeah.
I think also Jonas liked that there's little benches was made out of stone or rock or slate or whatnot. Make it look like very natural and stuff.
Yep, I liked it. I regained all my energy.
Abigail, what did you think about the trip up here to Anna Ruby Falls?
I liked it.
Was it what you were expecting?
No.
What were you expecting?
I thought it was going to be a cave like Ruby Falls.
Yeah. I like this Anna Ruby Falls much better than the Ruby Falls in Tennessee because I don't like to be where I cannot see the outside, and this one is outside. The only thing is it was a pretty steep walk and my knees didn't like it too much, But we took it slow and easy, and glad we made it to the finish line because it's so beautiful and majestic and such a wonderful sight. And it's nice and cool and breezy here.
I like Ruby Falls better
Why did you like Ruby Falls better?
because it was in a cave.
Oh,
I like being in a cave.
okay. Bye.
Bye.
Look at these beautiful mountains. Daddy, why are we looking at the beautiful mountains? Oh yeah, why are we looking at the beautiful mountains?
I don't know. Because Daddy's car needed a brake.
Yeah, Daddy's car is not used to driving up and down these mountains, so we stopped in a little scenic view so that it could rest a little bit.